That looks 10 times better. I think they're gonna like that. What's up, guys? Welcome to another What's in the Shop. Let's check out what's going on here today. Right here in the ceramic bay, we got this beautiful Mercedes SL 500. This came to us from Smell. The paint was pretty beat up on it. It's black Mercedes paint, so it took some tools over the years. So we brought it in here and Caleb did his magic. He did a 2-step paint correction on it where he went in with a harder pad, a microfiber pad, and compound, got all those heavy scratches out, and then cleaned it up with a nice polish to make that black paint shine beautiful. Right beside this Mercedes, finally, this big bad boy is done. This is the Jeep Gladiator. It was black, and we changed it to a purple. The whole thing got wrapped with all the painted surfaces, and Tyler's finishing up the fender flares right now, and then that's gonna also get kicked over to Caleb for a ceramic coating. Then beside the Jeep is another cool project. This GMC came in with a good customer of ours, and she wanted everything custom on it. So what we did was added a full entire black vinyl wrap roof to it. And then she also is ordering some pieces where the black trim and the rails up top are gonna be black too. We tinted the windows, and then Caleb's working his magic with the paint right now. He's gonna polish everything and then throw a ceramic coating on it so she's cool for the summer. In front of the GMC, we got this Harley Davidson CVO that's in here. This thing is great. I wish you could see the paint on it. It looks absolutely phenomenal. Aaron is doing some paint protection film on the front fender and this front piece here, and then Caleb's gonna ceramic coat it so he's ready for the summer to rock down and not have to worry about any kind of bug etchings or anything sticking to the paint. Then behind John is this Ram. This customer was in a little while ago, and actually when he was leaving from picking it up, he was in a car accident, and we were just finally getting all the pieces back in. We're gonna fix all those pieces, get them protected, and then he'll be good for the road. Coming over into the PPF bay, we have this beautiful Porsche 911. We're doing a full front paint protection film on this. Should be the full front bumper, both fenders, and the hood, and both mirrors, and then it's going over to ceramic for a fusion coating. Caleb is finally doing the final touches on this NSX. I absolutely love it. It turned out great. That's getting ready for the customer to pick up. We have Caleb over here doing an annual checkup on this Dodge Ram. This customer got ceramic coated last year, and we like to have them come in once a year where we just check on the paint, make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to do. We wash it, clay it, iron decon bath it, and then add a ceramic booster to it just to help it through the year. Walking into the tint bay, we got Terrell Magic Fingers Cation over here laying some XR fronts on this Chevy Traverse. Tint came stock on the back, so what we do is just do a factory match to the fronts to make it look like the back window so everything's uniform and matches. Coming outside, we got our good customer Kevin's Porsche sitting out here. This thing just got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. It's waiting to go into the ceramic bay to clean it up with a ceramic 8-year coating. Beside the Porsche, we got Justin from Horsepower Obsessed new Cadillac. This is gonna be his Florida ride, so we XR Plus all the glass to keep it cooler on the inside, and then we're doing some black accent pieces to make everything blacked out and then finish it off with a ceramic coating so he can take that down to Florida and be ready for the hot heat. Beside that is a Volkswagen Passat we had to come in for an annual checkup. Then coming across the lot, we have this Ford Raptor. This is a color I haven't seen yet, and I absolutely love it. The more that I see it, I like it. It's even cooler in the LED lights in the garage. Raptor got a track package, which would be the full front plus the rockers in paint protection film, and then it's getting finished up with a ceramic coating. We'll take the wheels off to the inside barrel of the wheels and the brake calipers as well as all the plastics and glass. We got the Z06 sitting out here patiently waiting for the paint protection boys to grab it. They're gonna do a full wrap on it and then kick it over to ceramic where that's gonna get a premium 8-year Expel ceramic coating. That's all that's going on over here in the LATROBE shop. Let's kick it over to Gibby and see how Luke's doing.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop.
First up, we have a 2022 Volkswagen Golf R. This one got the works at the LATROBE shop about 2 years ago at this point. There was some slight damage to the paint protection film on the front bumper and one of the front fenders. We got the film taken off, new PPF reapplied, and now it's looking as good as new. On the platform is a Porsche 911. This one got our track package, so got the entire front of the vehicle along with the lower sides. We also tinted the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 30% tint and topped it off with a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up, we have a Pontiac G8. Although this G8 is very clean, the paint has seen better days. We're doing a thorough paint correction on the entire vehicle, and then Mark will do his thing on the 4-year ceramic coating. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this BMW X5M. Really cool paint color here. So everything is polished out at this point, and the wheels have been coated. Next up is doing our 4-year coating on the body. In the tint bay, we have a couple vehicles. Firstly, we have a BMW 3 Series that Ian's taking care of. This one is getting our Prime XR Plus 5% on all the side windows and the back window. And over on this half of the bay, we have Cole doing this Toyota Corolla. This one is getting XR 5%. So dark tint all around this morning here in the Gibsonia tint bay. And next to Cole's vehicle is a really fun project we're gonna have going on for the next month or so here. This is obviously a Bel Air. We're tinting all of the side windows, the back window, and the windshield. This is not an easy vehicle. You can see the curve on the front and back glass, but something we could definitely handle. So stay tuned as this project progresses. Should turn out really nice. Back in the back, we have a BMW that had some body work done to the bumper and fender flare. It's back in the shop this week to get those two pieces reapplied in paint protection film. Moving on back, we have a new BRZ. We got Jason taking apart the door on this. This vehicle was also involved in an accident, and thank goodness for paint protection film, the paint is saved. So we had Anthony from Galaxy Dent Repair come in and pop out the dent. We took off the paint protection film, and now we are in the process of reapplying a new piece. Back on the lift, we have Austin working on our full wrap of the week. No surprise, it's a C8. We do a lot of C8s here. This one is getting a full body 8mm paint protection film wrap. We are also going to be coating the entire vehicle in our 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating.
That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Nick and I are at this beautiful house today in Freeport, Pennsylvania, trying to help this customer reduce the glare coming through these windows in the afternoon. Especially in the spring and the winter time, this customer is getting completely blinded as the sun starts to set on this side of the house, right as it goes along the beautiful Allegheny River behind us. So we're offering some different samples and showing him what all he can do. And I'm sure you'll see this on the install schedule soon. Thanks guys, see you next week.
That's all we got going on this week. I'll check you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in.